welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to bring you another video, and it's going to be all about Sephora liquid lip stains. I've been rocking Sephora lipsticks for about maybe like 3 years now, and I honestly first got into Sephora lipstick because they're $14 and they're really affordable when I first walked into Sephora looking for some new lipsticks to try. So yeah, today's video is going to show you 5 liquid lipsticks that I love from Sephora that are perfect for women of color and just anyone who is melanin in their skin, or anyone in general really. But these work with my skin tone, so if you have a similar skin tone to mine, then you may like them. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of information on what these liquid lipsticks are on Sephora's website. So according to Sephora's website, these liquid lipsticks claim to be silky, long-lasting, and ones that you don't have to reapply from the AM to PM. These liquid lipsticks come on creamy and then it transforms into a silky texture. So it's definitely not sticky, it's not drying. The formula is really great, and it's also infused with avocado oil, and that's probably added a little moisture to your lips, and that's why in the end it's not very drying. So these are some of my favorite lipsticks, so let's get started. The first lip stain I'm going to try is a black cherry, and that is number 27. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to zoom in to show you guys. This is what the black cherry looks like on my lips. As you can tell, it is a dark maroonish color, and it's a red, but it's a very dark red. I think it is beautiful, and it's just very sultry. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So love this shade if I'm wearing a dark colored dress. If I want to just add like a bold, dramatic statement, then this is definitely the lip color I'm going for. What do you guys think? I think it's beautiful, and yeah, it feels very creamy on the lip, and it definitely doesn't feel drying. It's also not sticky, and as you can see, it doesn't really transfer much either. So these definitely, I would say, last throughout the day. Of course, for me, they're not gonna last the entire day. I do find myself reapplying, but it's not very much, and I've had these lipsticks for a while. These lipsticks are definitely not drying. I've had this particular one for about, what, almost 3 years now, and there's still a lot left. So I definitely think they are bang for your buck. They last, and you may have to reapply once or twice throughout the day. But other than that, it's very moisturizing, and honestly, it doesn't even feel like you're wearing lipstick. So yeah. This is Black Cherry. So I first found out about this shade through Nyma in her channel. She was doing a review of some Sephora lipsticks, and when she swatched this on her lips, it just looked so gorgeous. So I was like, you know what? Let me set out of my comfort zone and try something different. And I absolutely love this shade. It's very sultry and sexy. And if you don't want to wear a red lip and you want to be a little bit bold, you know, just switch something up, I would definitely say check this out. It is a gorgeous cherry color. It's a deep plum, dark cherry red, and I just think it's really gorgeous, very sexy, and I think it'll suit a lot of skin tones. So, and number 13 is called Marvelous Mauve, and if you hear a little baby in the background, that is my daughter. So let's get started. And also, according to the website, it is said to best apply the lipstick from the center of your lip and work your way out. And I'm not really good at applying lipstick. It kind of goes everywhere, so I usually like go like this, but yeah. This shade is really gorgeous. I'll zoom in and let you guys see what it looks like up close. You guys can see, this is a very gorgeous mauve color, and I just think this is a great everyday lipstick. It's not super bright, it's not super, what's the word I'm looking for, neutral. It has a lot of pink in it, and I think it's just very cute pink lipstick. Moving along, baby. Moving on up. Alright, take this off. Hurry up. Say hello, Say hello, my name is baby. My name is baby. My name is. Aria came to interrupt my video. Yes, my little babies. Say hi. Say I'm gonna be helping my mommy with these lipsticks. Yes? Okay. The next shade we're going to be talking about is Warm Kiss. No, it's not. The next shade we're going to be talking about... 82. Alright guys, the next shade we're going to be talking about is Warm Kiss. And this is what it looks like. Ain't it gorgeous, baby? She loves it. Alright, so I'm going to try to swatch this with her on me. You know, being a mom, just when you think you can do something, your kid shows up and lets you know who's boss. Yes, honey? Aria! I'm so sorry, guys. I really want to upload one video a day, and sometimes these girls are going to be in the video. So, what do you guys think of this color? It is... Whoa! I think it's a darker pink than the last shade. This is also a great everyday shade. I think it is just a gorgeous color in bringing out my skin tone. And I always love pinks that you can rock every day. And I think this is one of them. It is just really pretty. I like the undertones in it. And I think you can wear this pretty much all season long.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, honey. Huh? You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, I love this shade. And I'll just do a close-up and show you guys what it looks like up close. This is a really gorgeous color. You just never know when one of their shades they may discontinue. So I think when you find a good shade that matches your skin tone, run out and buy one more. So yeah, these really last me a while. So I'm pretty happy with this shade. And I just think it matches my skin tone quite beautifully. This is another good shade for chocolate girls. And so anyone who's looking for a great neutral shade that doesn't, it's not too bold, not too vibrant, it's not too distracting, so you could really wear this every day. I love this. Alright guys, the next shade I'm going to swatch is this bad boy right here. It is number 88 and it is called Fearless Fuchsia. I don't have any shades like this, and that's why I decided to add it to my collection. This is what it looks like. It is a gorgeous, true fuchsia color. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Guys, so you can tell this is a true to color fuchsia shade. It is gorgeous. It is this bold pop of color you need to just make any outfit pop, and that's why I bought it. And I think this was also recommended by Nyma as a really good versatile shade. And you know, if you're going with friends and you want to just amp up your wardrobe, yeah, just try this shade. It is very gorgeous and I absolutely love it. I think it'll suit a lot of skin tones. The last shade I'm going to swatch is a classic. It's a timeless color, and that is red. It is the number 1, and I'll show you guys in a little bit what it looks like. Alright guys, this is the last shade I'm going to swatch, and is number 1. That is the color number, and it is called Fearless Red. I've had this shade, I think this is actually the first Sephora lipstick color that I got, and I've had it for about, I think, almost 3 years now, and I still have a lot of it. Mind you, I don't wear it every day, but I do wear it a lot, and this is a beautiful color. I just love to wear this when I'm not really feeling like wearing a lot of makeup, and I just want to spice up a look. I just wear this color, and the great thing about a true classic red is you don't need to wear a lot of makeup. You could literally just do your brows, put this on, put a little bit of concealer, and just go out the door. And a lot of the time that's how I kind of wear my makeup. It's pretty simple, and this red just makes all my outfits pop, and I absolutely love it. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys like this review of me swatching and testing. Well, not really swatching, but I really hope you guys like this review where I showed you a bunch of my favorite Sephora lip stains. These are really affordable and they're such great quality. So you guys give this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment below if there's any other videos that you want me to do or any makeups you want me to test on my skin tone. Thank you so much for watching it. Yes, thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. This is the worst thing about doing this video, is having to swatch out such a pretty shade of lipstick. Sucks. Freaking makeup remover got in my mouth.